Welcome back to the channel. Tonight, the first of several small kits I got at Heritage Con from the Star Blazers 21.99 franchise. This is an Astro battleship carrier known as Gerald, and a very tiny little kit from Bandai, reminiscent of the Star Wars kits they come out with. This is the box art here. Pretty self-explanatory. Some more ships that are in the series are there under the Mecha Collection series lineup. And yeah, just the normal warning stuff. Instructions are similar to the Star Wars kits, where you basically have basic instructions there. Goes together very easily, very low part count. You can do it in probably under an hour. And let's take a look at the sprues. So sprue A, if we have a look here, some of the upper deck, launch bays, etc. Now it's interesting, this kit was made in 2015, but it's got a copyright of 2012 on this particular sprue mount. I'm sure someone can explain that to me. Maybe there was another ship with some similar parts. I'm not sure. A2 has the sides of the ship, the main guns, very tiny, but of course very exquisitely molded, as Bandai does. So that's pretty cool looking. In a red, orange with a hint of brown packaging. Then we have sprue A3, the bottom side of the vessel. And last but not least, the main base with some other additional parts, the back end, etc. So yeah, not much to it, but it looks like it's going to build up to be a very nicely detailed little ship, perfect for fitting on a bookshelf. I've bought several of these over the Heritage Con weekend, and looking forward to building it. So again, this is from Star Blazers 21.99, and it's the Astro battleship Gerald. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. You'll find a full photo gallery of the sprues at blackfire.ca, and also don't forget to like and subscribe to the podcast, scalemodelpodcast.com. As always, stay safe, thank you, and be well.